Good day, our lovely learners! Welcome to our channel. Today's video is about using have been and had been. If you are not sure about the difference, stay with me until the end of this video to find out more. After this video, the free grammar quiz is waiting for you to check your understanding of this rule. Let's get started. Doing some grammar exercises or during speaking activities, we sometimes might be stuck with the usage of have been or had been. To use them correctly, we need to remember that both have and had are auxiliary verbs here, and they are from different tenses. The structure have plus the third form of the verb or past participle is a grammar structure of the present perfect tense, whereas the structure had plus the third form of the verb or past participle, it is a grammar structure of the past perfect tense. For example, it is my first trip to Singapore. I have not been there before. Let's refresh in our memory that the present perfect is used when we talk about results which are having a direct connection to the present moment. When we talk about experience and when the action started in the past and continue up to the current moment. In this sentence, I'm talking about my experience at the present moment, and I use the present perfect, and I use have been. Now let's look at the sentence with had. It was my first trip to Singapore. I had not been there before. In this example, my first sentence is about the past. Let's refresh in our memory that the past perfect tense is used to show an action which happened before another previous action. It is formed using had and the past participle. So, talking about the past, it highlights that before that trip I had not been to Singapore before. So I use the past perfect and I use had been. Have is always in the present tenses and had is always in the past ones. As you can see, these are two different tenses, and have been with had been will never meet together because they are from different grammar tenses. I hope it was a helpful explanation. And to check for yourself if you understand the grammar rules correctly, please follow the link in the description of this video to do the quiz with more examples. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in our next videos. Goodbye.